Hi all friends, are you looking for the best multimeter? Please note this item's multimeter has been upgraded. If you received a new multimeter, then you are in the right place. In this video, you are going to review the top 5 best multimeters on the market. Watch all this or see multimeter open selected best one personal Lokilion, the U reading reviews and orders. Okay, so let's get started with this video. Would you Hashtar, unlock precision measurements with the Handtech HDM 3065 series multimeter. The Handtech HDM 3065 series is a high-resolution 5.5-digit multimeter designed to offer fast sampling and multiple measurement functions, making it an ideal tool for both professional engineers and hobbyists. Below, we dive into the features and benefits of this versatile multimeter, along with a brief overview of other top contenders in the market. Here are key features of the Handtech HDM 3065 series. 1. High resolution and fast sampling. Resolution 1.6 bit. Sampling frequency 30 kiloseconds, capturing transient signals effortlessly. Display 4.3-inch 64K LCD with 1.1 volt resolution for detailed visualization. 2. Versatile measurement functions. Measurement types: DC voltage, DC current, 2-line resistance, 4-line resistance, capacitance, diode, connectivity, frequency, period, temperature. Dual display. Simultaneously displays 2 signal parameters. 3. Advanced data analysis. Graph display and trend drawing. Offers comprehensive data visualization including histograms and run chart displays. Statistics provides powerful math and statistical functions including dB/dBm measurements. 4. User-friendly design. Multimeter inputs, front and back inputs with a one-key switch for easy measurement transitions. Interface supports both Chinese and English menu options. Built-in help system simplifies operation and enhances user convenience. 5. High-speed reading and true RMS reading speed, up to 30,000 readings per second. True RMS AC measurement ensures accurate AC voltage and current measurements. Other top multimeters in the market. 1. DM858 DM8 resolution, 5.5 bit, 125 reticent at 80 nanometers. Accuracy 0.03 and 0.06% DCV accuracy display, 7-inch color touchscreen with 1024/600 resolution. Features: USB and LAN interface, remote control support, compact design for desktop use. 2. East Tester ET3255, counts, 2000 measurement types, DCV, ACV, DCI, ACI. Design, 5.5 digits, multiple math functions 3. 3M DT989 DT99H protection, IP67 withstands 3-meter drops. Screen, professional color screen design. Features, true RMS measurement, Bluetooth communication, 6,000 and 50,000 optional. 4. Victor 79 Plus functions, thermocouple, frequency, 24-volt loop, RTD, VFC resistance, simulate DC-AC voltage and current. Design, digital tester with high precision and complex environment measurement capabilities. Conclusion. The Handtech HDM 3065 series stands out for its high-resolution, fast sampling, and versatile measurement functions, making it a top choice for precision measurements. Whether you are a professional engineer or a hobbyist, this multimeter provides the accuracy, reliability, and ease of use you need. Additionally, other models like the Rigol DM858, East Tester ET3255, CEM DT989, and Victor 79 Plus offer unique features and capabilities to meet various measurement requirements. Choose the one that best fits your needs and unlock the full potential of your measurement tasks.